massive fire tragedy that took place in Goa. At least 23 people, including staff and tourists, have been killed in a massive fire that broke out in the intervening night of Saturday and Sunday at a very popular nightclub in Arpora in North Goa. Now, the blaze, which is suspected to have started from a cylinder explosion, quickly engulfed the kitchen on the ground floor, leading to this tragic incident. Now, we at News 9 are getting you visuals from the site of the massive fire that unfolded, the aftermath of it, and also the way injured have been treated and the reactions we're getting from the officials. Now, multiple fire tenders were rushed to the scene, and after nearly 2 hours of intense efforts, the deadly blaze was finally brought under control at the early hours of Sunday. Now, the Director General of Police has stated that the probe will also examine the club's safety measures, which are in question at this point, the gas connection systems and also its emergency exit plan to determine whether there were any violations in the first place or not.
इंसिडेंट हुआ है यहाँ पे अल्पोरा के अंदर में एक रेस्टोरेंट कम क्लब है। वहाँ पे 12:04 पे पुलिस कंट्रोल रूम में इंफॉर्मेशन आई कि वहाँ कोई फायर इंसिडेंट हुआ है और वहाँ इमीडिएटली पुलिस और फायर ब्रिगेड और एम्बुलेंस वगैरह सब ने रश किया उधर। तो अब फायर तो अंडर कंट्रोल है और वहाँ से डेड बॉडीज सारी निकाली गई हैं। तो उसमें टोटल जो डेथ काउंट है उसमें 23 है और इसमें जो ज़्यादातर जो बॉडीज मिली हैं वो नीचे जहाँ किचन है इसका रेस्टोरेंट का, वहाँ पे डेड बॉडीज मिली और अभी इस घटना के कारणों की जांच पुलिस करेगी।
Now, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant also took stock of the situation. He visited the site shortly after the fire was brought under control. He oversaw the rescue operations and also has now ordered an inquiry into this incident. Now, in fact, Sawant also extended his heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families. He said that the government of Goa is now extending all assistance possible to the affected families during this difficult time.
जो आज क्लब में जो इंसिडेंट्स हुआ, अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट्स, इस तरह का इंसिडेंट्स कभी नहीं होना चाहिए। गोवा जैसे टूरिज्म स्टेट में कुछ जो इलीगल्स या विदाउट परमिशन इस तरह के जो चलाते हैं या और इसी में जो फायर इंसिडेंट्स हो, इसी के कारण यहाँ पे जो उनके स्टाफ और एक 3-4 टूरिस्ट जो अंदर थे, इन्हें 2-3 इनको जल के हुआ, बाकी लोग बिकॉज ऑफ द सफोकेशन उनकी डेथ हो गई। ऑल टुगेदर 23 लोगों की डेथ हो चुकी है और जिनकी डेथ हो चुकी है उनके प्रति संवेदना मैं व्यक्त करता हूँ। गोवा सरकार की तरफ से पूरी उसकी इंक्वायरी की जाएगी और जो कल्प्रिट इसमें है जो उनको बिहाइंड द बार्स किया जाएगा।
सर, क्या आप मानते हैं कि बहुत बड़ी घटना है? पिछले 5 सालों में इस तरह की घटना कभी नहीं हुई थी।
गोवा के हिस्ट्री में इस तरह का टूरिज्म लेवल पे इंसिडेंट होना है बहुत बड़ी घटना है। इस तरह का इंसिडेंट कभी नहीं हुआ था। तो इस तरह की फायर सेफ्टी और ट्रेजेडी, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम एटलीस्ट 10-20 साल में तो पहला इंसिडेंट, इतनी बड़ा इंसिडेंट कभी नहीं हुआ था। पर हैंस फोर्थ मैं मेरी पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट, फायर डिपार्टमेंट उनको पूरी तरह से सेफ्टी लेने की सभी प्रिकॉशंस लेने के लिए कहूँगा।
Now, viewers, given the massive scale of this tragedy and the number of casualties we're getting, other officials also reached the site, including BJP MLA Michael Lobo. He visited the spot and said that the safety of tourists and the workers is of utmost importance. He added that most people who have lost their lives died due to suffocation as they were running towards the basement.
First time I feel in Goa state for after I'm actually disturbed because of the whole thing. I won't be able to talk more. I already spoke inside.
How many?
23 casualties are there. Among that 3 women are there and 20 male middle-aged.
Tourist or the local?
Some are tourists. Mostly are I think our locals who are working in the basement of the restaurant. So very sad incident.
This moment, officials have initiated their investigations into this tragic incident, and in fact, efforts are ongoing to provide medical assistance and support to those who have been injured and to those who are the kin of the victims in this incident. Remember, the nightclub at this point has been sealed for now, and the questioning of the owners and the management is currently underway. Whether or not there were violations and negligence on their part is the big question here. As per initial information, the club had not abided by the fire safety norms, which in fact led to the fire breaking out and 23 lives getting lost in this incident. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also condoled the victims of the club fire and assured full state support after speaking to Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, who briefed Prime Minister of the current situation on the ground. Next gratia of rupees 2 lakh from Prime Minister's National Relief Fund will be given now to the next of kin of each deceased, while about of rupees 50,000 would be given to all those who have been injured in this incident. So that's the latest we're getting as far as the Goa tragedy now goes. The latest that we know that the nightclub has now been sealed, investigation has begun. The management and the owner of the nightclub is currently being questioned regarding the safety norms that were in place. Initial assessment does show that the nightclub was in fact not abiding by the safety norms. Chief Minister, Prime Minister all have taken stock of the situation at this point. They are extending all the support they can on their front to all those who have been injured and to the kin of the victims as well. An inquiry has been ordered, and right now the focus is on regarding the negligence was there or not. We're also getting some reactions from eyewitnesses who are present on the spot. Let's listen in.
मेरे को सर जिसे उधर दिखाई दिया ना, वो आगे जैसे ऊपर लौ दिखाई दे रहा है, कैसे मालूम पड़ा कि आग लगा?
क्या आवाज ऐसा कुछ
आवाज आया जैसे टायर गाड़ी का बोलता है ना, उससे आवाज आया जैसे सिलेंडर ब्लास्ट हुआ है, मालूम पड़ा वो।
फिर ऐसा आवाज आ रहा था?
हाँ, वैसे आवाज आया वो।
फिर कुछ लोग ऐसा कुछ इंजर्ड का इधर लोग देखा आंखों से?
इधर जैसे जो लोग था वो देखा इधर से। हाँ।
फिर आप कब से इधर काम कर रहे थे?
All right, in fact, we are given to understand now the death toll has risen to 25 in the Goa fire tragedy, and among dead, 4 are confirmed to be foreign tourists. That's the latest we know, that the death toll has now risen to 25. And among those, 4 have now been confirmed as foreign tourists. This comes as a nightclub was hit by a massive fire last night in Goa. And the death toll, unfortunately, has now risen to about 25 in that case. 4 among them happen to be foreign tourists. Investigation, remember, is underway to understand whether there was a negligence on the part of the hotel, of the club management or not. In fact, 14 staff members have also been killed in the blaze, unfortunately, and 7 bodies are yet to be identified. So that's the latest we're getting in this Goa's fire tragedy. Death toll now currently stands at about 25. Among those, 4 happen to be tourists. And 14 staff members have also been killed. We have some reactions coming in from the spot. Let's try and listen to them as well.
तभी देखा कि आवाज़ आया ब्लास्ट का वगैरह, तो मैं देखा कि हम मेरे एक्चुअली नियर बाई घर है इधर, मैं देखा था कि अभी आग जला। एक्चुअली मोस्टली क्या होता है इधर, कभी पटाखे जलते हैं, कुछ फंक्शन होता है वगैरह, तो उतना ये मतलब हम लोग ने इतना वो चीज़ नहीं लिया, मतलब ये नहीं लिया। तो बाद में देखा तो एम्बुलेंस थोड़े टाइम के बाद घर पे गया मैं, एम्बुलेंस जा रही है बाहर, तो बाद में हमने गाड़ी लेके उस साइड में गए तो देखा तो ये सब इंश्योरेंस हो चुका था।
ओके।
All right, that's the latest we're getting. Those are some reactions coming in from the spot of the local witnesses who actually saw this fire incident unfolding at that nightclub. The latest, unfortunately, that we know of is the death toll has now risen to about 25. Out of them, several are foreign tourists and staff members. At this point, investigation is also underway. Now at News 9, we're getting you an all-round coverage of this massive fire incident. We're getting you visuals right from the spot where the fire incident unfolded, the aftermath of it, and also how the investigation is proceeding. What have been the reactions coming in from the officials regarding this? Now, the latest that we know, viewers, is that at least 25 people, including staff and tourists, have been killed in this massive fire. Remember, this fire incident broke out in the intervening night of Saturday and Sunday at a very popular nightclub in Goa's Arpora. So this happened in North Goa, essentially. Now, the blaze here is suspected to have started from a cylinder explosion that quickly engulfed the kitchen on the ground floor, leading to the tragic incident. In fact, the Chief Minister, Prime Minister, all of them have taken a stock of the situation at this point. They are extending all the support they can. An ex-gratia of rupees 2 lakh has also been announced for the kin of those deceased and about 50,000 for those who have been injured in this incident. But of course, questions are now being raised regarding the safety norms, the checks that were in place and the violations that took place leading to this tragic incident. Initial reports suggest that the nightclub, in fact, was not abiding by the safety norms, which may have led to this tragic incident and 25 precious lives getting lost. So whether it was a sheer negligence on the part of the management, whether the safety norms were not followed, these are the questions that are now being asked. The management is currently being also questioned by the officials at this point to determine what exactly led to this massive fire incident. Remember, it's also happening at a very popular tourist spot. So again, questions will be raised about the kind of checks and measures we have in place at these locations. But viewers, to get you the latest numbers, at least 25 people, unfortunately, have been killed in this incident. Out of those, some are staff members and some are foreign tourists as well. Some bodies are yet to be identified. Details are still coming in, so we're getting you all the latest updates. Some bodies are still yet to be identified and the investigation on the ground is underway. In fact, the Director General of the Police has now stated that the investigation will examine the club's safety measures, the gas connection system and also its emergency exit plan to exactly understand that whether these norms were followed, whether there were any violations on the part of the management. Chief Minister has also ordered an inquiry into this incident. In fact, he was present right at the spot after the fire was brought under control. He was overseeing the rescue operations. He has also extended his heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families. Now, at this point, investigation is underway into this massive tragic incident that's now unfolded in North Goa. A nightclub engulfed in massive fire and leading to 25 precious lives getting lost. 25 people have lost their lives. Massive tragic incident, and also raises questions about the kind of lessons we have learned over the years from such incidents. The hazards, the fire hazards and the safety and the checks, are they in place? Are we following the norms that are said to be followed? Are the safety guidelines being followed? Those are the questions that are now being asked, specifically with regards to this incident. In fact, at this point, the nightclub has been sealed and owners and the management are currently being questioned to understand whether there was a negligence on their part and what exactly led to this incident in the first place. Initial information does point to the fact that the club had not abided by the fire safety norms. Remember people, this incident does raise questions on how likely and what is the value of human life. Are these checks and balances and the safety norms just put in place? In fact, we also have some official reactions coming in from the police department. Let's listen in.
अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट हुआ है यहाँ पे अल्पोरा के अंदर में एक रेस्टोरेंट कम क्लब है। वहाँ पे 12:04 पे पुलिस कंट्रोल रूम में इंफॉर्मेशन आई कि वहाँ कोई फायर इंसिडेंट हुआ है और वहाँ इमीडिएटली पुलिस और फायर ब्रिगेड और एम्बुलेंस वगैरह सब ने रश किया उधर। तो अब फायर तो अंडर कंट्रोल है और वहाँ से डेड बॉडीज सारी निकाली गई हैं। तो उसमें टोटल जो डेथ काउंट है उसमें 23 है और इसमें जो ज़्यादातर जो बॉडीज मिली हैं वो नीचे जहाँ किचन है इसका रेस्टोरेंट का वहाँ पे डेड बॉडीज मिली और अभी इस घटना के कारणों की जांच पुलिस करेगी।
That's the latest we know as far as the nightclub tragedy goes in Goa. The death toll currently stands at 25. Some of them staff members, some of them foreign tourists, and some bodies are yet to be identified as the investigation proceeds in this case.